27 is another example of a midsegment. Remember, midsegment is half the length of the side that it's parallel to, which means you have to double it to make it equal to the longer side. So if I double that, I'm going to get 10x plus 24. Now that's going to be equal to the side that it's parallel to. So 9x plus 40. Subtract 9x from both sides, you get x. And if you subtract 24 from each side, you get 16. And then it says find km, so you're going to plug that in. So you get 9 times 16 plus 40. I think it's, I'm sorry. Comes out to 184. And number 28, write a valid congruent statement. What unmarked sides and angles are congruent by CPC2C? Well, first off, you got vertical angles that are congruent. So as far as a congruent statement, you want to call this triangle BED, and then what matches B is going to be Y. What matches E is going to be angle E again, and what matches angle D is going to be angle T. So what's unmarked angles and sides? Well, obviously B and Y are matching angles, D and T are matching angles, angle E and angle E are matching angles, actually B, D, and Y, T. And then side BD is going to match side YT. As far as 28 goes, I'm sorry, 29, why these are congruent. Here's two sides at an angle, but that's not an included angle, so this one's not congruent. In letter B, this is a textbook case of side angle side. In letter C, this is angle side angle. And letter D, once you mark vertical angles, and then because of the parallel lines, you could pick alternate interior angles that are congruent. So this is angle side angle again. But you could have also picked another pair of alternate interior angles congruent and got angle angle side. For letter E, when you use the reflexive property and the median, that splits us in half. What you have is a side angle side problem. And in letter F, because it's an altitude, it makes right angles. And use the reflective property. Now this looks like two sides in a non-included angle, but remember when this is a right angle, and one of those pairs of sides happen to be a hypotenuse, and the other pair of sides to be a leg, this one's HF.